Hello YouTube, Youper here. I got a package in the mail today from Darkwolf Knives. Let's get her open and let's see. Open it with my Kershaw. Jake had a giveaway and I was one of the lucky winners, or as LONG13HAIR said, one of the lucky bastards that won one. This will be my first custom knife I ever won. It's acid etched by Jake. The handle's beautiful. Hopefully you can see that. Kydex sheath. Tight. I don't know if that's showing up, but it's got a flag on this side and some flowers and stuff. Looks like here you got a rose on the handle. Checkerboard on this side. If you don't know Jake at Darkwolf Knives, you need to go check him out and give him a sub and tell him Youper sent you. And also, if you don't know LONG13HAIR, you need to go check him out and give him some subs. They're both great channels, and just check them out. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got some card stocks here. Let's see. Yeah, pretty sharp, Jake. Thank you very much, Jake. I'll treasure this forever. Nice little necker sheath for a beautiful knife. We thank you very much, and y'all need to check out Darkwolf Knives and give them some love and subs and whatever else. Youper out, my friends.